years, almost a decade on crusades, what I've retained. You can't save souls that don't wanna be saved, and can't get paid on a government wage. Keep a couple lines in your fade, an extra limp in your walk, slang editorial talk and stay boss. What started in New York is a global phenomenon. Street culture music is spawned all the gear we on. I speak on a grand scale, the world is my audience. London, New York, Tokyo, LA, Paris, Sydney, Beijing, Toronto. I speak on a grand scale, the world is my audience. Manila, Kingston, Hong Kong, Kuwait, Vancouver, Moscow, Rome, the globe. Searching for a wifey, married to the Maltese. Tight skinny jeans, Prada frames, some Nikes, forces to SBs, limited prestige. Let me know your sneaker games, tighter than 23s, glued like a boxy. Saw you at a cross street, knew me by my first name, DL, not incognito. Got no need to greet me, I'm glad to meet you. You're a fan of mine, well I'm certainly a fan of you. Beautiful angel sent from the skies above. Nothing you'll experience in life is better than love. No money or pay stub, only get you fake love. Follow your heart like the moon follows the sun. Looking for the one like Neo might leave you Rio. Lies that no one's perfect, we're all flawed. I welcome all your baggage and scars. I'm from Mars, you're from Venus, but nothing's between us for both stars. I speak on a grand scale, the world is my audience. London, New York, Tokyo, LA, Paris, Sydney, Beijing, Toronto. I speak on a grand scale, the world is my audience. Manila, Kingston, Hong Kong, Kuwait, Vancouver, Moscow, Rome, the globe. It's too late to stop now. Bound to champion sounds like Jesus bound to his crown. I get down for British pounds. We buy pumps like D Brown. Used to be on some punks, jump up, get beat down till I realize I like my feet on firm ground. And I'm not trying to get Swiss cheese off these rounds. Music makes them all calm down. Sound where I grew up, a screw up, but still got out now. Got an angel in the clouds and soldiers on earth. Got a throwaway verse that's much better than yours. I'm a working musician with none of the perks associated to the most common hip-hop verse. Is it art or advances that brought the vantage? Could fame be the cancer? Is money the answer to my troubles? I don't know, but I hope to double my chances in Vegas with poker plays and sunglasses. I speak on a